Little girl was up. It came in as a non-breather, but she ended up being up. The little boy that was here said, my mom's sister, he goes, she's the one that did it.
But if she got that many scars just from falling off a tree, she would only...
That's how we found your sister. We don't know what happened.
August 23rd, 2024. Watch how a family argument turns into a crime scene when a 4-year-old is stabbed and the attacker runs.
104, I'm out with
Alright, so I'm here with PD right now. ALS is what it is.
They left already? Oh, I'm sorry.
Alright, so I got here, little girl was up. It came in as a non-breather, but she ended up being up. The little boy that was here said, my mom's sister lives with us, but she's not here, she left. He goes, she's the one that did it. Now, he said she was on the side. I'm here because I just wanted to hold the scene.
Yeah,
everybody left. But he said the mom's sister is the one that stabbed her. But the mom said she was outside. I don't know if it was on the side
so
of the house.
So they took the girl already?
The girl was at, yeah, they transported because she was going, they ended up going CPR.
You want to go and I stay here?
107 to 109. I was heard of
Oh,
it.
you're telling me the hospital, yeah.
So I don't know if there's anything out here.
Let's go see inside first, right?
Yeah, I'll take it. I'll take it. So when we got here, they had her in the bath. See.
Oh, we got your diapers and everything. You didn't see and everything.
Yeah. No, she was stabbed up pretty good. She had like 2 huge lash on her arm, but then her face, I don't know if she punched her or did something, but she had blood coming out of her ear too.
Well, the kid?
The little kid did, yeah.
And with the little boy?
The little boy was the brother. He's the one, he's with the mom. So the mom, the brother, and the little girl that got stabbed, they're all in the ambulance on their way to Joe's.
I see it. So there's no one here but us?
Just us. The girl who he said did it, her name is Mabel, and it's the mom's sister.
Mabel, mom's sister.
Yes.
You want me to call, I call Silva?
Yeah, I'm gonna call Bridge to listen.
Mm-hmm. LT, we're at 390 10th Ave, but there's no one in the house. We have it secure. The entire family's at the hospital. They were gone prior to our arrival. It looked like whatever happened, they tried to go in the bathroom, wash it off, because you can see stains and stuff like that. It's watered down. Mabel, yes, Mabel. And go ahead, go do what you gotta do. No, we went inside. This house is, we gotta call it diapers. This house is in shambles. There's road, it's and
It's in the wall. That's not.
no, that's old, like syrup or something like that. But you can see in the bathroom we have here, right over there, 11A. But that's old though. I mean, who knows how long this was? Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Where's the mother?
The whole entire
the house went to the hospital.
Yeah.
Why? They were all.
No, it was the mother. It was the 4-year-old, and there was another, all minors. The mom went for the 2 kids, the aunt, the daughter. That's the statement that they gave the fire department. But when we got here, obviously they had to take that kid. And I mean, you can see, hey, this right here too has, let me just put a rock on it. This has a little fat around it. You see it? So, according to the neighbors, these kids are out every hour of the day. They're roaming the street. The little girl's always out here, even 2, 3 in the morning. You're 500? Oh.
So that's the captain. What do we got? She gave me the rundown. They might be
Mabel. Yeah, Mabel. So, according to what the fire department said, yeah, they went in, looked at the girl, they tried to clean her up, and he really couldn't tell us. It was bad, and he just rushed her out of here. And we have that
threatening, obviously.
I guess. I mean, we didn't. When we got here, it was just the chief. Yeah, the fire was already gone.
You said her aunt?
I didn't know. I was with a sexual assault. On the left side, top, bottom.
That's perfect. Thank you so much. Best of luck to you guys, okay?
Okay, thank you.
The doctor will be over here with some updates when they're done with your daughter, okay?
Okay.
But she was awake. I did see her.
She was awake.
Yes. No, because the way they gave out the call was very different. So we were like, wow. You know, when I saw her awake, I was very happy. Okay.
Yeah, I had her in the tub, and I was trying to put warm water on her because I don't know how.
It's okay. You did the right thing, man. You only could do what you could do, okay?
I put her in warm water, and then I started putting water on the open thing.
This is my sergeant, okay?
I started putting water on the thing, and she's jumping like this, and maybe it was like her or something, but it wasn't too hot. It was warm.
Okay.
It was just right because I know the temperature. She even likes water hotter than water. I was just there trying. Oh my god. Put water all over her face. She had dirt all over her face. She had dirt all over her face.
Was she outside originally?
Yeah, she was outside playing, and then she had a bad feeling because she didn't hear her for a while. And then she went, I think the sun went out first, and you saw her on the floor.
In the backyard?
Yes, he thinks she fell from a tree. That's what you believe?
But if she got that many scars just from falling off a tree, she would only.
That's how we found your sister. We don't know what happened to her. I said, my baby, what happened to my baby? What happened? What happened to my baby?
Was there anyone else in the house besides you guys?
There was my mom's sister, Mabel.
My sister. But she wasn't there.
Want me just a little update for you? They're still working on her. Yeah, there's a little oxygen mask right now just to help her, but no like breathing tube or anything. She's doing okay, just with like a little bit of oxygen. They put like type of line in her leg to be able to give her like medications and fluids that she might need, and they're doing x-rays right now.
Okay.
So I'll see if one of the doctors can come talk to you soon, okay?
No.
Dr. Harrell, are you Jania's mom?
Yes.
Okay.
And I'm her brother.
You're a brother. Awesome.
You want to take her referral? Sure.
My legs are really shaky.
Okay. Do you want to come get a snack?
Okay.
I'm so sorry to be meeting you under these circumstances.
Do they have to be outside of the room?
I just don't want to like scare her with anything. Okay, she's.
I'm here for you.
Hey guys, alright. This is unsafe surgery. You are her mom?
Yes.
What happened?
Good afternoon. I don't know. My son, he's hearing something from the window. He's trying to make some cereal. He goes to the side because he hears something. So it might be her playing on the side of the house. He hears something, and he's like, "Ma, look, come here, look." And then I go follow him. I'm like, okay, let me go see. But no, it never came to my mind that it was gonna be my daughter there, laying there and stuff. It never came to my mind. I thought he was trying to like come show me a cat or something.
No one
like
actually saw anything.
Huh?
No one
You
saw
don't know
anything.
what happened, like
You know what happened?
how she ended up like that?
I don't know. I'm like, what's happening to my baby? What
Okay.
happened to my baby?
Man, let me tell you what the situation is because I have to go to the operating room with her, okay? I'm sorry I'm being blunt, but it's an emergency. She has multiple to her left chest. One of them is deep enough that I have to take her to the OR, make a big under general anesthesia, make sure her lung is okay, make sure her heart is okay, clean up this, alright? And she has a bunch of other cuts which they all look superficial, thank God. There's a whole bunch of them. We have to clean them up in the operating room and repair them and stitch them up. Most important thing is really her left chest, okay? On the ultrasound, the heart looks okay. On the x-ray, the lungs actually look healthy, but it's deep enough that this is not something you stitch up in the ER. This is serious enough that we have to take it to the OR. Okay, I'm so sorry being blunt like this, but I have to run.
Okay.
I'm going to talk to you when we're done upstairs in the OR waiting area when they take you upstairs. Okay? And I'll update you about what's going on. Okay? And after that, God willing, she's going to be okay. She's going to go to the ICU.
Okay. Am I gonna be able to come in with her?
After she's done
After
with the
surgery.
operating room, yeah. After
Yeah,
the
not in the
surgery.
OR. Okay?
Okay.
I'll be here as long as you need me to be here. I'll stay here, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
What's her name? Barbie? I'm here. And you know, I'm here because I wanted to see how you're doing. Okay? And I'm here because I want to see what happened. Why are you at the hospital?
You want another toy? Okay.
Terminating by the one camera.
You want to talk to him? Just tell him we're on body work.
Hola, ¿cómo estás, señor? Puede entrar, está puesta, se puede sentar.
Hello. How are you?
Hi, ¿cómo
Just so you
está?
know you're on body work.
Más para que usted sepa, la cámara está puesta. Se puede sentar aquí.
We're just gonna need it. All
¿Nos
right.
sentamos? Todo mío.
You could just stand up. Just walk through here for us.
Ok, perfecto.
Okay. You have anything on you? Anything?
No.
Just pat her down real quick.
Okay.
In the corner.
Reel the arms out like a T.
Can you just spread your legs for me? Sorry. Okay, just go. Sorry. I just have to take it down just so I can check it out. Okay.
All right, you could bring her.
¿Y su nombre?
Just tell her. You speak English or Spanish?
English.
Okay. You could just take a walk with the detective Sanders.
Soy el detective Martínez. So yo voy a hablar con ustedes en español. So voy a tener a su hija que mandar con nosotros. Ella sí va a ser arrestada y va a ser procesada.
If you could just sit right over there. Okay. All right. Okay, so I'm Detective Sahanis. I work here at the prosecutor's office. Right now, you're being placed under arrest. Your charges are as follows: they're attempted unlawful possession of a weapon, possession of a weapon for unlawful purpose, endangering the welfare of a child, and endangering an injured person. So I'll be back in here to speak with you and go over your Miranda rights. Okay. Do you need water? Do you need anything? Okay.
Okay. Any questions for us for now? Okay.
All right, we'll be right back.
Later, officers arrested the suspect. She was charged with attempted first-degree murder, endangering the welfare of a child. For more cases like this, hit subscribe.